replace or enhance your existing central heating system with heat pump technology to heat, cool, and provide hot water for your home in sustainable way. Hello friends, members, subscribers. Today we are presenting Daikin heat pump for whole house. It's complete. It's new system for heat pump for your house. This system, heating system, heat pump costs around $7,000. Air to water heat pumps transfer energy from the outside air into your house. The outdoor unit will exchange energy from the outdoor air and with the help of the refrigerator cycle to release the energy at higher temperature to generate space heating or cooling and hot water. If you have any questions, please make comments down below. Nima channel. If you like more of this heat pump presentation videos, please make comments down below. See you in next video. Bye.